Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing a topic that affects many women. Abnormal vaginal discharge. Well, it is essential to understand the symptoms, causes and most importantly, how we can tackle this issue naturally. So let us get started. First things first, symptoms. Well, when it comes to abnormal vaginal discharge, several common symptoms may indicate an infection or imbalance. First one, foul smell, unpleasant odor emerging from the vaginal area. Second one, abnormal amount of discharge, noticeable changes in the quantity and consistency of vaginal discharge. Third one, itching around the vagina, persistent itching or irritation in and around the vaginal region. Fourth one, pain in abdomen or pelvis, discomfort or pain in the lower abdominal or pelvic area. Next, causes. Understanding the cause is crucial for effective management of abnormal vaginal discharge. Several factors can contribute to this condition. First one, yeast and bacterial infection. Overgrowth of yeast or bacteria in the vagina can lead to infections. Second one, use of antibiotics and birth control pills. These medications may disturb the natural balance of vaginal flora. Third one, pregnancy or stress. Hormonal changes during pregnancy or stress can impact the vaginal health. Fourth one, wearing tight or synthetic inners. Clothing that traps moisture may promote the growth of bacteria. Apple cider vinegar is known for its antimicrobial properties, making it a potent remedy for vaginal infections. Here is how to use it effectively. Add 2 cups of apple cider vinegar in a bowl. Now add half cup of water to dilute the vinegar. Apply the mixture to your vagina using a clean cloth or cotton ball. Let it soak for about 20 minutes. Repeat this daily until the infection clears up. Coriander is an excellent herb with numerous health benefits, including its potential to address vaginal infections. Follow these steps. Add a glass of water to a bowl. Put a handful of coriander leaves in the water and let them soak overnight. In the morning, strain the water to remove the leaves. Consume the infused water on an empty stomach every morning. Well, prevention is better than cure. Here are some practical tips to maintain vaginal health and prevent abnormal discharge. First one, eat yogurt or curd daily to introduce healthy probiotics and combat vaginal infections. Second one, maintain a good hygiene levels by cleaning the genital area twice a day and keeping it dry to prevent bacterial growth. Third one, change your innerwear 2 to 3 times a day to minimize discomfort, odor and bacterial proliferation. Fourth one, opt for breathable cotton underwear to prevent vaginal sweating and the buildup of bacteria. Fifth one, include more fruits and vegetables in your daily diet and stay well hydrated to support your immune system and ward off infections. Remember ladies, addressing abnormal vaginal discharge is essential for your overall health and well-being. By understanding the symptoms, causes and adapting these natural home remedies and tips, you can take control of your vaginal health and restore balance naturally. Stay healthy and we will see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more health related content. Take care.